Hey, it's Doug from the Rise Web Gym channel, and I have a new, simple, fun workout for you. All you need is a medicine ball, a kettlebell, and your own body weight. Let's check it out. Whoa! I composed this workout to be 3 blocks. The first block is body weight. Body weight's going to be one exercise going to be single-sided, the other 2 are one-rounders. Medicine ball, where 2 of the exercises will be single-sided, the third one will be a one-rounder. And then kettlebell, all single-side. The goal for this workout is to get a full body workout, a little bit of cardio, a little bit of conditioning, and just keep it simple. We don't need a lot of equipment. Now, if you're looking for other workouts, I have a bunch up here in the card. I'll link up there. I just try to make simple, fun workouts for you guys. You can do at home or your local gym, and it won't take too much time or space. Now, today you can do this workout for time, or you can do it for repetitions. You can do as many rounds as you want. It's up to you. I'm gonna do it for repetitions just for the sake of the video, so it's not too long. I'll do like 5 or 6 depending on what we're doing, and I'll run through 1 round of it. So the first block is all body weight. I'm gonna start with the single one. It's gonna be a single leg hip bridge. So I'm gonna be on my back. You can have your legs in parallel or crossed over. I'm gonna flatten my low back, and I'm gonna bridge up flat. Let's say I do 5 on each side. 2, I should extend this straight. 3, and I'm trying to control down as well, so I'm not dropping too fast like that. 4, 5, and then I'll switch. I'll reset my body if I need to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to do a mountain climber with rotation for some mobility and a little bit of upper body strengthening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a step, sink, and rotate. Step, sink, and rotate. And let me do, I don't know, 6 total. Sink, rotate. I think that's 4. I'll do 2 more. And you can rotate the other way. You just have to shift your body and rotate. So whatever you need there to work on your mobility, especially in the hips and the upper thoracic. The third one's gonna be a core exercise. I'm gonna do alternating knee tucks. So I'll be in a top plank position. I'm gonna slowly bring my knee forward. What I'm not doing is going fast. That to me doesn't work too well. I'm gonna go nice and slow. Try to keep my hips stable. Try to keep my core engaged and stable. And there. So that's my first block. Now I can rest as much as I need. If you're on a timer, you can rest 30 seconds. If you're really going for it, you can rest 15. Now I'll move to my medicine ball. Now the medicine ball, like I mentioned, will have 2 single-sided. The first exercise is going to be a lunge and rotation. So I'm going to do a reverse lunge. I'll step back, I'll have my arms extended, make sure I don't trip on anything. Get parallel and rotate. So I'll go 1, 2, the slower you go, the better. 3, so you really work that core. 4, 5, and then switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So now I'm going to do a single-sided sit-up. So I'm going to take my ball, and I can sit up to either a knee, which is a bent leg, or a straight leg, which is a shin. Let me do my knee. So I'm going to meet in the middle. 1, 2, 3. I'm trying to keep the other leg down. 4, 5. I'll switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then the final one is just a 1-rounder. I'm going to do a push-up on the ball. Now you can do it a few ways. I can do a push-up, and the hard way is I move my body to the other side. The other way is I roll the ball to the other side. Or knees are great. I can do this, roll the ball, or I can move my body on the knees. So whatever way you want to do for that. Lastly, we'll get to the kettlebell round. Kettlebell round, all single-sided. My favorite exercise, single leg RDL. I'm going to hold it in one side. The side I'm holding on, that's the leg that's going to go back. I'm going to have my arm out for counterbalance, bend my left knee, reaching back like a T, pause, drive up, 1, 2, 3, I'll go 5, 4, one more, see if I can get a little more range of motion, 5. All right, I'm going to switch sides. This is my more challenging leg. So I got to go a little slower. I got to pause in between the up and down transition because I tend to roll out on the outside of my foot. So I want to keep the big toe down. I think that was 3. Cannot multitask. 4. 5. Okay, we're going to do a pair of rows. Brace my body, grip and glide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Final exercise, one arm swing choice. So I'll do 5 one arm swings on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do swings. You can do cleans. You can do snatches. You can do a mix of everything. As long as you're getting a little cardio in. And that's the workout right there. So again, you got these 3 blocks. You can do them for repetitions like we just did. You can do them for time. Set your watch, set a bigger clock, 30-15, 45-15. If you need a rest between sides, great. If you don't need a rest between sides, great. Make this workout your own and just you'll get a quick workout, 20 minutes, you'll be done. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like it down below. Also subscribe as I put a new video out every week. If you have any questions or suggestions, put them down in the comment box. Thanks again and get after that workout.